Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about a quick get ready with me, which is super summertime appropriate. Before I start, just a reminder that everything is down in the description box below. Also, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe if you do, girl, because look, Misfit gang is growing, okay? But first, I'm just going to tie my hair back because we got to tie our hair back, duh. First step, going in with Milk Hydro Grip Primer. You guys know I love this primer. It is tacky, but it's not like gross. It's really going to make sure that your makeup stays on all day long. And it's just a great primer. Honestly, get this primer, y'all. Next, I'm going in with my Coty Airspun Translucent Powder in this fluffy brush. Now, y'all, let me just tell you the secret. I'm going to tell you the tea, girl. If you set your face with a translucent powder before you go in with foundation, your foundation is going to last longer. First of all, you may not even need as much, but it lasts longer. I learned this a few years ago from a makeup artist backstage during New York Fashion Week. It's just a great thing to do. Now, I know I'm out here looking like Casper the Friendly Ghost. I know y'all thinking that I'm dead and all, but trust me, black girls, do this step, okay? Next, I'm going in with the Morphe Microfiber Brow Pencil. And y'all, you know I loved and I still do, love the Milani Brow Pencil. But I tried this one out and I am so shooketh. Like, it is a good brow pencil. It's very gentle. And it's great for people like me who want to define our brows, but we don't really want like an Instagram brow. Like, if you want a more natural brow or something that's just very simple, definitely check out this brow pencil. I cannot stop using it. And my Milani is starting to miss me, girl, but don't worry, I still love you. Next, I'm going in with this matte and poreless foundation. I don't know what shade I am, but I will link it down below. I wish it did have a pump because accident prone girls like me are not made for this. Like, I don't know if y'all saw that foundation fall. It's okay, we moving on. But I will note that this actually was a little bit more on the orangey red side. So I'm going to show you guys how I fixed it in a second. I take the Sephora foundation brush. This is like more of like a densely packed foundation brush they have. And it's so good. I have this brush like probably 4 or 5 of them because it's my favorite brush to apply my foundation or really any liquid product. It's going to really make sure that it moves the product, but it's not going to remove it off your face. And so you're going to get that fuller coverage that you're going for. And when I put makeup on, I want y'all to know I got makeup on. This whole I woke up like this. My makeup is too expensive. Okay. Even with this drugstore foundation, baby, I need you to know I'm here. So next I'm going in with the Too Faced Born This Way. This is the sculpting concealer. And this is one of my favorite concealers, y'all. First of all, the doe foot applicator is big enough that you really can get a lot from just once, like, you know, pull out from the bottle. I like to put it right underneath my eyes, also down the bridge of my nose, a little on my forehead sometimes, just to kind of brighten up my face. Also, if you find that your foundation is not the right shade, doing and incorporating a concealer is really a great way to sort of balance the face out. So I'm taking my Real Techniques blending brush, and this is also a great option if you are a little bit more on the cost-effective side. You don't want to spend $20 for a beauty blender. And I guess I was taking a selfie, but baby, just blend, 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 blend. I actually then go back in with my foundation brush and I blend out all of those lines where the concealer ends. You know, you want to kind of blend that line of demarcation and really just make sure your face is blending. Like, we are a family. We are not in competition. We are a family. I think that's Dreamgirls, right? Next, going in with the GOAT Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and this is in the shade Honey. This is a great setting powder. Everything from Laura Mercier, especially the powders, are just A1. But I love Honey because it is more on the yellow side, so it's going to warm up the face. And it's good enough where, you know, it's going to blend in with whatever you have on. So this is definitely brown girl appropriate. But yeah, just get your hands on a good translucent setting powder, guys. Like, don't skimp. It's one of those things that you just need. Next, I'm going in with this Makeup Forever. This is the Matte Velvet Skin Powder Foundation in the shade Y455. And I'm just really kind of making sure everything is balanced out. I'm setting the places that I did not set with that Laura translucent powder, taking it down my neck, also on my forehead, because those tend to be a little bit more cool toned. And so I like to neutralize the yellow from my concealer a little bit more and really just kind of give my face an overall, like a finished look, if that makes sense. I'm also going to point out that this is a great powder to use if you really don't want to wear makeup. Like the summertime, it's too hot. You just like, you know what? I just want a little bit of something. You can build this up. And I sometimes just use this with that Sephora Collection Dome brush. And I get a lot of coverage out of just this powder. So definitely would recommend it. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. It's a holy grail product and I will just have to keep buying it. So make it forever. Don't ever stop making it. Next, I'm going to add just a little bit of dimension back into the face. This is the Coco Naughty by Fenty Beauty, and then the Sculpting Brush by Patrick Ta. You guys know I also love the Face Contouring Kit by Patrick Ta, but my Fenty Beauty was what was in front of me, so, you know, no favorites around here. I'm just going to warm up around my face, the perimeter, my forehead. I also am going to, at some point, as you will see in a second, take it down the bridge of my nose and on my eyes. So I'm going to take an eyeshadow brush and just put it on my lid. Now, here's the thing I learned. I have oily lids, and so even if I put on eye primer, it's not going to last that long. So it's one of the reasons why I don't focus on my eyes as much. And then I'm also going to just take that same brush and take it down the bridge of my nose. I'm going to be doing another video very soon on like an actual glam get ready with me, like date night edition or something. But this is, again, just my everyday regular makeup look. Like if I'm just hopping on Zoom real quick, you know, got to get into the one-on-one with your manager, you got to just do something. This is it. Next, I'm going in with this Huda Beauty lipstick. Again, the number and color and all that stuff is down in the description box below. As I was applying it, I realized that this is not the kind of pink for me. I am a red lip or a nude lip kind of girl. I love purples as well and oranges. But this was just giving me a bit too much candy, bubble gum, like yum yum type situation. So I actually went in with the MAC. This is the Powder Liquid Lip Kiss color something. And it's has more of a purple undertone to it. So it kind of just brought that color down to something that is a little bit more wearable for me. I said purple, but I think I meant magenta. So yeah, this is definitely more of my speed. I could have also probably pulled off the Huda Beauty with a brown lip liner, but this is a great option if you are someone who you don't want to wear a lip liner, you just want to put the lip product on. So very simple, easy, ready. I hope you guys like this video. This is my everyday look. Obviously, you can swap out the eye, you can swap out the lip, but yeah, really super and simple and easy and whatnot. I think I've already said that. If you guys like this video, make sure that you like this video, comment down below, and also subscribe. Thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, Misfits, and all my girls out there. Make sure you stay safe. Bye.